Jamaican taximan charged in connection with 11 murders committed over a 5-year period in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. Click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the short break. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have made a major breakthrough in the commission of a series of murders in Clarendon. Links 007 TV News understands that a taxi operator has been charged in connection with 11 murders which were committed in the parish between 2017 and 2021. Accused of participating in crime is Travis Gilman. Gilman, a 38-year-old taxi operator, is from Linen Town in Clarendon. He has been hit with multiple counts of accessory before and after the fact of murder. Gilman has reportedly given a caution statement to the police, admitting that he had prior knowledge that the murders would have been committed and assisted in the process. It's suspected that the taxi operator was the getaway driver for a vicious gang in Clarendon. Among the murders which Gilman has been charged in connection with is an incident in 2020. In that incident, Akeem Murray, who also known as Kemo, and Kemar Ramatar, who was also called Tufton, were murdered by gunmen. Gilman is also accused of assisting his fellow gangsters in the murder of a 50-year-old female security guard, Karen Walters, and another man known as Jermaine Brooks. That double murder took place in January of this year in a racecourse in Clarendon. Gilman is also accused of assisting his fellow gangsters in the murder of a 50-year-old security guard, Karen Walters, and a man known as Jermaine Brooks. That double murder took place in January of this year in a racecourse in Clarendon. Gilman has also been charged with accessory before and after the fact of murder in connection with the slaying of Ian Morris and Rodney Lindsay. Morris, who also known as Junglis, and Lindsay, who was also known as Price, were gunned down in Springfield District in Clarendon in 2017 by a gunman who emerged from a Toyota Probox motor car. It's believed that Gilman was the driver of that motor vehicle. Investigations continue into the murders which Gilman has been implicated in. It's understood that the Jamaica Constabulary Force moved to lay charges on the taxi operator as it ramps up its strategy of not only targeting gangsters who are triggermen, but also their accomplices and facilitators. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.